The following tutorial goes over how you can create quiz question in a question library in the D2L Learning Management System. The first thing that you want to do is click on the assessment link. From here, select Quizzes and Exams. Next, click on the Question Library link. From here, you're going to click on the New button. Click on Section. Let's go ahead and call this section title Quiz Week 1. Click on the Save button. From here, click on New. Let's select our true and false question. The next thing that you want to do is select the question that you would like to input into your future quizzes. And then select the appropriate answer. You can see the preview of how this will look to the student on the right-hand side. If you're happy with the layout, click the Save button. Next, we will do multiple choice question. From here, select the question. You can use your tools if you need to format your question further. And then here we're going to input our answers. Now we want to select the appropriate answer. Notice here we're emphasizing the not. So that would be something that'd be helpful to have bolded and underlined as we do here for students. So that is our appropriate answer. And then here we can randomize the answer order. And then we will click on the Save button. Now let's click on the New button and select our short answer question. From here, you will input your short question text. And then here you want to put in the answer for the short answer response. And then click the Save button. Now let's create a matching question. Go ahead and click on the New button. Go down and select Matching Question. From here, we need to note our required field. So we have to enter in a question text. So we are going to put match the emoticon with the feeling. And then for choices, we have a variety of options. We can insert stuff like a video files, YouTube, links, as well as images, hyperlinks, and then I'm going to insert an emoticon. So let's go ahead and click this happy emoticon, and then let's enter in another emoticon, and let's do a surprise. And then now we will scroll down here, and for our value we're going to type in surprise, and For this, we'll type in happy. Let's make sure, I think we have all our required fields. So because the matching can be a little tricky, let's preview this, see how this is going to look. So the student is going to see the emoticon, and then they need to pick the appropriate answers. So we will click done. Finally, and then we'll click save. Finally, let's go ahead and create a long response type question known as a written response question. So for me here, I am going to input a case study for the question. And then I'm going to allow the student to be able to use the HTML editor as well as insert pictures and attachments. And then I'm happy with my preview, so I'm going to click the save button. And I'm done editing my questions, so I'll click the done editing questions. And that is how you create a library bank of questions to use on future quizzes.